In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play slides automatically in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself needing to navigate through a presentation hands-free, whether it's for an engaging lecture, a dynamic conference presentation, or simply a self-running display, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the steps to set up your slides to transition automatically. First, fire up your Microsoft PowerPoint app. PowerPoint is a powerful tool that's used widely for creating impactful presentations. Once you're in the app, the next step is to open an existing presentation or create a new one that you want to set to play automatically. Simply click on the presentation to open it and get ready to start adjusting settings. Now that you're in your presentation, look towards the top of your screen for the menu bar. You'll see several tabs, but the one we're interested in today is the Transitions tab. Click on this tab. This section is essentially the gateway to customizing how your slides will transition from one to the next. Here you have a variety of options to choose from, such as fades, wipes, and more. Each provides a unique way to move between slides, and you can select according to your preference or the tone of your presentation. Now once you're in the Transitions tab, direct your attention further to the right side of the toolbar to find the Timing section. This part allows you to make crucial adjustments that control when and how your slides advance automatically. Look for the option labelled Advanced Slide. By default, you might see that it's set to on mouse click. To change this to automatic, check the box next to after and choose the time duration in seconds. This setting dictates how long each slide will stay on the screen before moving on to the next one. So whether you want each slide to display for just a quick glance or a more extended period, adjust the timing to suit your presentation's rhythm. For those of you who want your entire presentation to have the same transition timing, PowerPoint makes it easier by allowing you to apply your preferred settings to all slides at once. Towards the right, you'll see an option to apply to all. Clicking this will ensure the timing settings you've chosen will be applied across your entire presentation. It's efficient and keeps your slides consistent. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've set up your PowerPoint presentation to play automatically, allowing you to focus on delivering your message without worrying about manually advancing your slides. Whether automated slide progression helps you achieve a smooth, uninterrupted flow during your talk, or creates a dynamic display on its own, it's a valuable technique to master. Try it out and see how it enhances your presentations. Feel free to leave any comments or questions and enjoy the convenience of hands-free presenting.